It's a snow day today. I am so excited. We don't really get snow days here in Georgia, so it's really rare and must be enjoyed. Hello my celestial friends, I'm Echo, the Saving Sorceress, and it is a snow day! In honor of this momentous event, I am taking some time to chill out, relax, and do a little bit of mending. I will mostly be enjoying this snow day from inside, but I'll go outside a little bit. I mean, I've got to actually feel the snow on my fingertips and remember how cold it is and go back inside because I'm not about that life. I thought I'd do some mending because mending is so important for the state of my wardrobe. What a perfect way to spend a cozy, mostly indoor day. We hang out outside for a couple of seconds, we regret our life decisions, and we make the best day of it. I'm just gonna be chilling. Probably wearing my glasses so I can really see the details, make sure I get those stitches as small as possible. I'm getting better at it, I promise. Takes a lot of work and a lot of practice. I always find that just watching people do anything in the background while I'm trying to get something done is helpful. So I thought it's a nice get together, hang out, and get some things done day. Has it snowed yet where you live? Let me know. I know most people probably live in a little bit of a colder climate, but it's just such a special treat and or major disaster here in Georgia. This time I'm pretty excited about it. Let's go enjoy the snowfall. It's so beautiful. Happy snow day! There's snow on my phone now. And everywhere else. And it's sticking! The snow is sticking! What a lovely day. Let's go chill inside. Just got back in and I'm covered in snow. I think it's mostly melting off me now, but it's cold out there. It's not as cold as it could be, but it's definitely cold and wet and beautiful. Like a fairy is dusting just beautiful natural glitter over the entire world right now. Or at least my little corner of the world. And it's nice. It's really serene and peaceful out there too. But I'm glad to be back inside and warm again. Let's go do some mending. I've never really sewn a zipper in before, so I'm super excited about this jacket because I am getting over my fear of attempting to do that. And I think it's going pretty well. I started it a little bit a couple of days ago and I was like, all right, this is not impossible. This is within my skill set, amazing. And I'm really hopeful that I can finish it and just have a lovely jacket that I've owned for many, many years back in my closet again. So I won't need to go and buy another one. I have the one I need already. So today I'm working on this hoodie that you can see. It's got a little cute skull print here. It says Pirate Princess. I've owned this hoodie for about 15 years. It's a Disney hoodie, I think, that I thrifted a long time ago. But the zipper on it broke and it was kind of tragic because this was my favorite. So I am going to just fix it up today. In the cold, snowy weather, it's the perfect time to just make this brand new again. I always store the needles that I'm finished using that still have some extra thread on them. I just sort of wrap it around the needle and put it in a little container, store it for next time. I'm all about not wasting things. But here we've got the end of the zipper. I have actually sewn some of it on already because I was not sure if I knew how. I'd never actually sewn a zipper on before. And so I was kind of terrified, and so I sewed most of it by machine, and I'm going to sew the rest of it by machine after this. But first I'm going to tack down this top edge. The snow's falling softly outside my window, and I'm warm in here, just fixing up another jacket that I can one day wear and have another fun day in the snow with, hopefully. Yep, just some simple hand tacking. Now to do the other side. Watching other people sew on the internet has shown me that you really do need a load of patience for this. I'm used to just winging it and hoping for the best, and that may not in fact be the best way to make things. But you know what? You gotta do what works. I've successfully made clothes for years, so my method's not the worst method. Just maybe not the very best there is either. We've got to understand our own strengths and weaknesses. And what I'm doing right now is just pretty much basting, honestly. But it's keeping the zipper in where it's meant to be kept, so that when I do the final touches by machine, I will not make a mistake and sew the zipper in the wrong place. And I want it nice and secure up here anyway, because the ends are probably where the zipper is going to get the most. Ow. Oh my gosh. Bleeding. Do you see this? Why is it always blood? Alright, I'm back. What was I saying? I got distracted from all the blood. I know this is probably not normal for most people who sew. I probably need to invest in some sort of heavy-duty thimble that doesn't impede my sewing ability, but does stop my needles from attacking my hands. I don't know how other people do it. I really don't. I'm almost done, and then I'm gonna sew the rest on the machine, and it's gonna be great. Just found these, I think that they're thimbles. I bought them a long time ago, and I was like, maybe I'll need something that covers my fingers, and hey, it's a good time to test them out. I'm now sewing the bottom part of this. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work because I cannot grip the needle with these. Oh no. Okay. We're not gonna do that. Anyway. Okay, so we're going to sew the bottom part of the zipper on, hand sewing, because we want to make it reach all the way down to the very bottom edge. Yeah. That looks good. Yes. Perfect. And here we are. I think it looks amazing. It's actually all sewn in. And now I'm going to head over to the machine and get the rest of the zipper parts and some of the little bits and bobs that still need some help finished. But this is going to be usable again. I am so excited. final bit. Check it out. Woo! I think that looks pretty good. May not be perfect, but it is pretty good in my view. And I finally completed it. I'm so pleased. It's amazing. Look. It goes down nice and smoothly. Got my jacket on. And I'm all set to go. Oh my gosh, I miss this hoodie so much. I love it. I think, as I've said before, there's just so much magic in everything that we can do and make and grow and create. And that's just so important to me. And honestly, I'd love to hear what you're up to. Has the cold weather and the darkness and the world gotten to you? I know it's gotten to me a whole lot. Things have been really weighing on me. It's a stressful time. I think we've got to be kind to ourselves and just be understanding. It's a lot to deal with. Sometimes you just have to celebrate the little wins. That's another reason why I'm so excited to mend things. It doesn't seem like a big deal, but these are whole pieces of clothing that I haven't worn in ages because they were messed up or broken or torn in some way. Now I can wear them. I'm just so excited about it. If you enjoyed hanging out with me today, I would really love it if you'd add a like to this video and consider subscribing. I really loved hanging out with you too. I'll probably be uploading this video a few weeks after it happened, so if you're like, what? It didn't snow. It hasn't snowed in ages. That's why. And I should be back next week with a brand new video, so see you soon. And remember, my celestial friends, save whatever memories in the snow that you can. Be kind to yourself and to the universe, and try to add a little bit of magic wherever possible to your corner of the world. Bye. Wild. Happy snow day.